Good afternoon. We are Daniel Suarez and Andres Plata. Today we come to introduce you to one of the most important páramos that we have in Cundinamarca, and various aspects ranging from chemistry to physics of this wonderful place.
Welcome to the Páramo Guacheneque.
The bottom of Guacheneque is one of the biggest reservoirs of water in Cundinamarca. Besides it, it's starting at the point of Bogota River, that crosses all the way through our department. The whole territory of the Páramo is national reserve, and so it's protected within all living creatures that habit this ecosystem.
In this high Andean forest, we can find mostly short plants like bushes, grasses, moss, lichens, and more endemic plants like the frailejón, the estrella de páramo, the puya, and other species. Specifically, they exist around 4 species of frailejón, every single one of them endemic of its own habitat. At least common living creatures in this ecosystem are animals. Most of them are reptiles like frogs, salamanders, and non-venomous snakes. You could also see condores through the sky. This is the second most large bird in the world. We could also find the Andean bear, more known as the oso de Ande. Now with the characteristics of water, the pH of water normally is 7. The body of the water pH measured from the water is also 7 because the level of purity. And the currents and how do they work in the body of water? The water tends to go downwards thanks to the gravity of Earth and the diagonal slope of the mountains.
And finally, the natural background. It is important to have a space for environmental reflection in this type of video. Beyond seeing these beautiful places, it is important of taking care of them. That should really matter. Let's listen to this guidelines to take care of this precious place that provides us with water we drink. 1. If we're going to visit, bring a bag to avoid leaving the trace of anything, papers, garbage, food, etc. And second one, keep quiet. Let's respect this environment of all kinds of contamination.
And now we would listen to someone that guide us through the páramo.
Hay a nuestro alrededor que diga, uy, esta se llama así o no sé, algo que se les familiarice. Sábila, ¿cierto? Parece una sábila.
No es Ávila.
No es.
Pero sí, todos tiene mucha similitud, pero pues no es. ¿Algo más vemos por ahí, chicos? Son musguitos. Entonces, chicos, acá tenemos una planta muy importante acá en el páramo, como se decía la compañera, se parece a una sábila, pero pues no es una sábila. Esto se llama una puya, exactamente es una puya gaudotiana y es la comida predilecta del oso de anteojos. El oso de anteojos pues, es uno de los habitantes más importantes que tenemos acá en el ecosistema.